If you want to be financially free, we need to do 5 things with our money. The first one is what we call make. Dapat tayong lahat ay kumikita ng pera in order for us to live. That's like a very common thing that we understand. But the problem is, most of us, we don't know how to manage the finances. And that's the second thing. It boils down to 3 major subcomponents: budgeting, debt management, and savings. It is easy to understand, but it is hard to do. Kasi one of the problems kasi ng management is not really their intellect, it's more about the behavior of the person. Pangatlo naman is we need to find ways to minimize our unwanted expenses. Mga bagay na hindi natin gusto mangyari sa ating buhay, pero nangyayari talaga siya. Tulad ng magkasakit tayo, ma-hospitalize tayo. And after you minimize your unwanted expenses, then doon na tayo papasok sa maximize. Ito na yung investments particularly. How can we let money work for us instead of us working for money? Yung nasa gitna is what we call the mindset. If you believe by heart and by soul na ang pera is the root of all evil, hindi naman talaga evil yung pera. It is only a tool. Depende na lang sa atin kung paano natin gamitin yung pera.